Let's bring Jesse back in. At the beginning of the show, I did not mean to sound like a downer, reminding all of you that you got to go back to work tomorrow morning.
Shame on you, and you're doing it again. Here
I know,
you are.
sometimes I forget because you and I work all weekend long, so Sunday night's not a big deal for us.
No.
So.
It's my Friday.
It's not my Friday.
Suckers. No, who's the sucker working on a Sunday night? I'm kidding.
Amen, Jesse. Amen.
I was just watching that Taste Addison.
Yeah.
The festivals have been lucky.
I know.
The Fort Worth Arts Festival.
Sometimes they get in the midst of hail or tornadoes, and not this weekend.
Yeah,
you're right.
It's been nice. Okay, so we have the partly to mostly cloudy sky across North Texas right now, and we keep that tonight. We're dry tonight. We start the day off with a lot of cloud cover tomorrow. This is 7 a.m. Cloudy sky, right? Let's get into the afternoon. This is what I wanted to talk about first, is Monday evening. So a couple of thunderstorms, and these will be isolated, okay? So these will come off of a dry line in far west Texas near the Panhandle. A couple thunderstorms will initiate out toward Haskell and Abilene. We are going to be in an environment that is not really conducive for severe weather here in North Texas on Monday. So if you watch the thunderstorms as they enter our area, they really collapse. I cannot rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm in western portions of North Texas. The farther west you live, the better your chance. But notice that this is 8 p.m. You see how things just collapse as they move into North Texas. We prime the atmosphere for a better chance of thunderstorms and severe weather, certainly by Tuesday and certainly by Wednesday. So if you look at the severe weather outlook for Monday, it's a level 1 marginal risk for Bowie, Graham, down to Breckenridge. Metroplex is not included in this. The level 2 is farther to the west. This is for up to quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. For Tuesday and Wednesday, that's the WFAA Weather Alert Day time frame for up to quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds, brief heavy rain. I can't rule out an isolated tornado, especially on Wednesday. You need to stay updated, have a way to receive warnings, and download the WFAA app. Let's talk timing. Monday night, quiet. It's cloudy. Tuesday morning, quiet. Latest data continue to suggest that the thunderstorms are really going to hold off on Tuesday until later in the evening for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So we'll get through most of Tuesday just fine. This is noon. Still the thunderstorms out in southwestern Oklahoma, near Wichita Falls, down to Seymour and Haskell. By 3 o'clock, they're kind of drifting, and they are weakening as they move farther to the southeast. Gainesville, Decatur, you might see some rain by 3 o'clock, and by the for the Metroplex, 5, 6, or 7 o'clock, some scattered showers and storms, but these will be, you see how they're kind of falling apart as they move closer to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and then southeast of the Metroplex, you're likely not going to see much in the way of rain on Tuesday, but scattered rain will linger through Tuesday night. So you see the progression from level 2, 1 to nothing on the severe risk on Tuesday for up to quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. Gainesville, Decatur, Mineral Wells, Eastland, and Northwest, that's the better chance for severe weather. Now on Wednesday, that's going to be our best chance of rain by far. We're going to have widespread showers and thunderstorms that'll move in. It'll start off Wednesday morning in western portions of North Texas. This is 7 a.m. Showers and storms pretty widespread through midday. They're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I was going through some of the latest data tonight. Right now, I think south of I-20 will have the best chance for severe thunderstorms and that low potential for an isolated tornado Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. That's where the thunderstorms are likely going to be the most intense, I should say. Not a big severe weather outbreak. That's not what we're forecasting. I think that's the best chance to see that, or the large hail up to the size of quarters or damaging winds of 60. This is 7 p.m. So throughout the day, we're going to have pretty widespread showers and thunderstorms. That helps a little bit in keeping the severe threat somewhat muted. It doesn't mean it's gone by any means. It's a level 2 slight risk for all of North Texas, and those are the risks. Up to quarter-size hail, up to 60-mile-an-hour winds, and a low tornado risk. The mode of these thunderstorms on Wednesday will be kind of the messy mode. Not these individual supercells, but just kind of the big clusters of thunderstorms, and that helps a little bit keep the severity down somewhat. So let's keep it that way. 70 degrees tonight, warm, breezy, 85 tomorrow, another warm, windy day. So you look at the 14-day forecast. 82 Thursday, Friday also on the quiet side. So Thursday and Friday we get to take a little bit of a breather. The next weekend, scattered showers and storms. Those don't look severe. We're kind of detached from stronger mid-level flows. So with that being said, there will be some scattered showers and storms, but those don't really look severe. Next Monday and Tuesday, some of those could be strong to severe. So, it's late April. It's going into May. It's a busy time of the year here in the weather department. So just keep updated on the latest forecast.
The pattern seems to be a couple of WFAA weather alert days, a few days that are slightly more calm, then a couple more pop up. So that's where we are.
And at some point within the next month or so,
I know what happens.
Fire and drought and all sorts of
It gets really hot.
heat.
Yeah.
That's the one I was looking for. There you go.
All right, Jesse, thank you so much.